Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online coaching. Dear students, today we are going to start exercise 5.3, fourth Roman. Please pay attention, dear students. How many means they are asking numbers. How many means n. How many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? Dear students, solution of the fourth question, sum S is given 636, N is not given. First term, that is our A is equals to 9. D, T2 minus T1, 17 minus 19. Okay, that is 8. 17 minus 9, 17 minus 9, that is 8. So dear students, D is given, A is given, total sum is given, N is missing. So our formula Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Dear students, if you are writing this much and this formula, at least you will get half mark. Okay, so 636 equals to n by 2 2a 9 plus n minus 1 into d, that is 8. This 2 will be multiplied with 636. So 636 into 2 equals to n. 9 2s are 18 plus this 8 will be multiplied with the n, so it is 8n. 8 will be multiplied with minus 1, so it is minus 8. Close the bracket. Dear students, the bracket means this n will be multiplied with 18, with 8n and with 8. Okay, so 636 into 2 equals to n multiplied with 18, 18n plus 8n square minus 8n. Dear students, you are knowing this is negative 8n, this is positive 18. So plus minus minus 636 into 2 equals to plus minus minus, sign will be of greater, that is 18 is greater. So 10n plus 8n square. Okay, now dear students, can you arrange this term? Please see here. 636 into 2 equals to 8n square plus 10n. Please pay attention. Can I take 2 common? So 636 into 2 equals to 2 is common. 4n square plus 5n. Dear students, this 2 and this 2 deducted. So equation is 363 equals to 4n square plus 5n. Can I arrange? 0 equals to 4n square plus 5n minus 636. Clear? Any doubt, dear students? No. I hope till here each and everything is clear. Dear students, now I will use the quadratic equation method. What was the formula? x equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac, whole thing is divided by 2a. Okay, now please pay attention, dear students. This each and every steps are clear in your mind. Now I will solve this equation with the help of quadratic formula. Remember the equation. Equation is 0 equals to 4n square plus 5n minus 636. Okay. Dear students, from the quadratic equation, a equals to 4, b equals to 5 and c is equals to minus 636. N equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, now let's start. Minus sign is a formula. B is 5 plus or minus under root b square and b is 5, so 5 square is 25. Minus sign is a formula. 4 into a is 4. 4 4s are 16. C is minus 636. Dear students, minus minus will become plus. Minus 5 plus or minus under root 25 minus minus will become plus. Now you have to multiply 636 with 16 and you have to add that with 25. Okay, so let us do here. 636 into 16. 6 6 are 36, carry 3, 6 3s are 18 and carry is 3, so it is 21, 2 carry. 6 6 are 36 and 2 was carry, so 38. 6 3 6 6 7 11 9 and 10. So it is 10176. 10176 plus 25. 6 plus 5 11, carry 1, this is 10, carry 1, 201. So dear students, minus 5 plus or minus under root 10201. Now you are knowing that 10201 is the square root of 101. This whole thing is divided. I have forgot to write here one step, dear students. Here I forgot to write 2a. Here also 2a and downside also 2a. In short, n equals to minus 5 plus or minus under root 1021 is 101 divided by 2a. A is 4. So n equals to minus 5. First I will take plus 101 by 8. So minus 5 plus 101. Okay, that is 96, positive 96 divided by 8. Answer is 12. N equals to 12. Dear students, now you take negative. Minus 5 minus 101 minus minus plus, sign will be of greater one. Greater one is negative. So 106, that is negative. You are knowing that negative value of n is not possible, so I am not doing that case and you should also not do that case. Just you have to write n equals to 12. So first answer, first question is clear and answer is 12. Now moving towards the fifth one. Fifth one, read the question carefully. Dear students, if you can understand the question, you can solve any question. The first term of AP is 5, means A equals to 5. The last term L equals to 45. Sum is 400. Find the number, means n, of term and common difference, means d. Okay, done. Dear students, you remember the formula n by 2 into bracket a plus l. S is 400 into 2, which 2? This is 2. And A, what is A? 5 plus 45. So 400 into 2 divided by 50. 45 plus 5, 50. Okay, 110 is deducted. Dear students, you are knowing that 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16. So n is clear, n is 16. Now dear students, you have to find out the common difference. What you have to find out? Common difference. You can go with any method, whichever method you like, you can do. Suppose this n is how much? 16. The last term is 16. The last term is also given over here, 45. Okay, so this is A16. This is A16. What is the formula? A plus 15D. A16 is what? A plus 15D. So A16 is 45 equals to A. What is A? 5 plus 15D. Positive 5 comes this side, becomes negative. 45 minus 5 equals to 15D. So this is 40 divided by 15 equals to D. So dear students, 40 means 8 into 5 and 15 means 3 into 5. 5 deducted, D is 8 by 3. D is what? 8 by 3. I hope fifth one is also clear in your mind. Now moving towards the sixth question. The first and the last term of APR. First term means, dear students, A, 17. Last term L, 350. If common difference is 9, D equals to 9. How many? Means n. How many terms are there and what is the sum? Means S. Okay, done. Now first and the last term is given, nothing else. What we will do, dear students? I can go with this formula. S equals to n by 2 A plus L. A I am having, L I am having. The question is n also missing and S is also missing. So I cannot go with this formula. One more formula I will try. Which is a formula, dear students, you know, to find out n? Last term formula. Last term is what, dear students? An equals to an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. The last term is given 350. 350. First term is given 17 plus n minus 1 into d is also given, that is 9. Take this 17 this side. 350 minus 17 equals to n minus 1 into 9. So here answer is 333 equals to n minus 1 into 9. This 9 will be in the division. 333 divided by 9 equals to n minus 1. 3 1 3 4 37. Yes. So 37 equals to n minus 1. This negative 1 come this side. So 38 equals to n. हमें n का आंसर मिल गया. n is 38. Okay dear students, now moving toward the sum. Okay, s equals to n by 2 plus a plus l. Okay, s equals to 38 by 2, a is 17 and that is 19, 0 plus 7 that is 7, 5 plus 1 that is 6, and this is 3 as it is. Okay, now dear students, you have to multiply 19 with 367 and that will be your last answer. Dear students, I hope you are able to understand this thing. Just one thing is remaining. You have to multiply 367 with 19. Okay, so that will be your last answer. I hope it is clear in your mind, dear students, how to solve this exercise. Now please try 7th, 8th, 9th and 10. 4 questions in homework. Thanks for watching this video, dear students. Thank you so much.